Whoever study and get knowledge, he has power. Go and take a knowledge, they should be your slave. If you don't get knowledge, you should work for them. The power is knowledge. So unfortunately, it happens that some of the Muslims, or many Muslims, many of our kings, our leaders, they only started to enjoy their time. Even in Iran, some padishah, some kings, they had over 100 women. 100 who only enjoy. Of course, these people are going to be spoiled. Why? Because they don't know the value of knowledge. And those people that oppress, of course, oppressing in any situation is wrong, definitely. But they have knowledge. And because they have knowledge, we have no choice. We have to go and beg them. I hope, inshallah, one day the Muslims and you will understand that we must get a knowledge and help our community, our society. One of you, not all of you, one of you can change the Delhi, can change all India. One of you. Who was Mahatma Gandhi? He was one Indian. He changed by guiding the other people, talk and get the knowledge and work only according to the intellect, and others listen to him. So God has decided that this world it is up to you. Whoever works, he will get something. Whoever is asleep. You go in the street and put your cell phone just like that and do it. Then you come and steal it after 2 minutes. God, why you didn't protect for me? You saw, and you know the thief. God says, I didn't tell you I will do that. I told you, be careful about your cell phone. We have mind, we have gold, we have jewelry, we have everything, and we have intellect. We can protect ourselves, but we sleep, other people will come and steal. So it's our fault. Yes?
Sir, we live in a multi-religion area, isn't it?
Yes.
So in this area, if we are going to interact with a non-Muslim, like Hindu person, then according to Islam, they are najis. So we can't like eat with them or interact with them as we think that they are najis, and we cannot touch them if we are wet, if our hands are wet or something like that. So we cannot interact with them properly. Like if I can interact with him, my brothers and other people, like that, we cannot interact with them. So my question is like, why Islam is telling us not to stay with them, not to eat with those Hindus and other peoples, if like they are, Islam is saying, and according to the Quran, they are saying that Quran is saying that these people, they are like our brothers, and we should interact with them. We should increase our own iman by doing discussions and other things, by speaking about, by talking about our religion and our beliefs, like that. So if we cannot interact with them, if we cannot eat with them, if we cannot touch them, how we are going to spread our religion?
There are two issues. First of all, today Mahdi Poor, the representative of Ayatollah Khamenei, said that I know that Ayatollah Makarim in Iran says that even Hindus are clean. So there are different ideas, and one of the Maraji, according to of his idea, as Agha Mahdi Poor have told me today, he believes that even Hindu are clean. This is one idea. So this is not something that we say it is written in Quran and it's not going to be changed. It is understanding of scholars, and some scholars like Makarim, if somebody follow him, he says it's clean and it is clean. This is one issue. Second issue, yes, many other scholars say Hindu are najis, but if we think very well, when they say it is najis, there are a lot of issues with that that we should understand. They say they are najis, but you can eat and be with them, but whatever you will see, you should say that I'm not sure that he touched. I don't know that he touched when his hand was wet. You will see him and even you shake your hand. Okay, what is going on? My hand is not wet. Your hand is not wet. I go to the market and buy something. I don't know he touched it or not. And even you should not check. Your friend says, wait, I know he touched. You should say, it's not your business. Why you told me? Close your eyes. Don't see. Everything is clean. Everything is wonderful. You should not search. And you should not allow somebody to tell you. Don't listen. You know, I want to tell you that this person prepared. Please, don't say anything. Why? So you go to the market and you will be free. Unless you will see by your hand, by your eyes, that he put his hand in the glasses and he put like this. How many times in life such a thing happen? I don't know. So when you go to the market, everything is clean. We don't know what happened. Everything. And I believe that we will not face such a very serious problem. Anywhere you go in Islam, it is very important that something that you swear it is najis, it is najis. As long as you cannot swear. For example, I go to the hotel. Okay, they prepare salad, they prepare food, as long as there is no meat. Okay, inshallah, the person who made it, he is a Muslim. Maybe he's Muslim or not. It is enough. Anywhere in India, maybe he was a Muslim. That's enough. Okay, eat it. That's enough. Should I go and ask? No. They want to tell you. You know, some of us are, I don't want to listen. Don't listen. You are free. Who told? Some people say, wait, do you know this chocolate is made? Who told you to read? Don't read. And you read, why you are telling me? They make problem for themselves. You know, I want to know what is made of. Oh, some. Don't give me, I want to eat. That's all. Even if we can easily read, it's not necessary to read. Who said? Everything is clean unless you swear, I swear to God it is najis. Can you swear to God that it is najis? You cannot swear. As long as you cannot swear, everything is clean. So any person you see in the market, maybe he's Muslim. Everything, you are free. You eat something, maybe he's. Any shops, maybe is enough. Unless you become sure that it is 100% najis. And it's not necessary to check if somebody is telling you, it's not, I don't want to listen. To a free, I don't want to listen. Islam, that didn't make it very hard, but we don't know. Somebody, when I was in America, I remember one person has gone and found behind the chocolate, what is it? Then he found, oh yes, I'm going to call this company and ask from what it is made. And he was coming and said, Mosavi, give me the